Veg noodles. It's a purely dinner item and it is a different version of our Karnataka style semege or our Kerala style idiyappam. Like that, this is something like Chinese item, Chinese noodles. Nowadays it is familiar everywhere all over India. But as a good recipe, I am trying to prepare this particular veg noodles in front of you. The following, see, we can add along with this veg noodle different types of vegetables also. Here I am using carrot sliced, cabbage sliced, cauliflower sliced, capsicum sliced and little bit onion. Again along with this you can add butter beans, green peas, etc. I have taken these 5 items and following are the another ingredients for preparing the same. I have taken little oil for frying everything, 3 to 4 green chilies, little garlic, little hot sauce, little schezwan sauce, little masala and salt. Again I have taken little soya sauce also. They are not shown here but I can show you when I prepare it. And this noodle. This noodle I have already cooked, boiled, cooked and kept it ready. When you cook these noodles, it will take hardly once the water is boiled, it hardly takes 4 to 5 minutes to cook it. And while cooking, you just add 1 spoon of ghee or coconut oil or any other oil so that the noodles won't get mushy style. It will get separate like this. See, now all noodles are separate. So that will give a good attraction for the total veg noodles. Now let us see how to prepare the same. Now my pan is preheated. First we will add this garlic. Now next we will add this green chili. Now we will add this carrot slice. Add this cabbage slice. All these vegetables need just fried, just half cooked. To some extent this cabbage or carrot, everything tastes very good when it is half fried. Now we will add this cauliflower, that is full gobi. There is no hard and fast rule for slicing these vegetables. It's left to you. But I have sliced like this. Because the noodles are in thread style, so I have just done in thread style my vegetables also. Now we'll add this onion. Capsicum we'll add final. Now we are going to add this sauce items. Now first we are going to add this soya sauce. Soya sauce is the main sauce for preparing veg noodles. We'll add only little, that's enough. Anything if you don't add also, you have to add soya sauce. It gives a different flavor for veg noodles. This is enough. Now this hot sauce. Now this Manchurian sauce. Manchurian sauce and all, it's left to you. There is no hard and fast rule that Manchurian sauce should be added. If you have it, you can add, it gives an added taste, that's all, nothing more than that. Likewise, you have this noodle masala. If you are interested, you can add, otherwise you can avoid it. Now finally we'll add this salt. Now we'll add this capsicum. Now almost our vegetable and all the rest of the masalas are ready. Now we'll add this cooked noodle towards it. And you have to mix it properly. At this version, you can just switch off your gas. Now our noodles is almost ready. Yes, I am switching off the gas. Now we'll garnish it with little coriander leaves. Yes. It's an easy recipe as everybody can do it. Only if your noodle packet is ready with you, you can prepare it within 10 minutes. And only cutting of vegetable is there. At least without vegetable also you can do it. But if you add vegetable, it's an added taste and noodle will good nourish and you can take it as a dinner item. So everybody please try at least once at home of my style and let me know your comments through comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.